Hi there, it's Nick from Website Success. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our keyword ranking tool. So keyword ranking tool gives us an indication of how your keywords are performing within the search engines, and particularly within the organic results of the search engines. So if you look here, this is a local business, local to us. They're actually a driving school, as you can probably tell from the keywords. And what we've done is we're monitoring over time how their keywords are performing. So this is the last few months, so April till November. They joined us just before then, if I remember correctly. And we can see how their keywords are tracking and improving over time. It also flags us, actually looking at driving lessons Chichester, something we need to work a little bit harder and put a bit more focus back onto that keyword phrase at the moment to get that performing. So this is looking at Google nationally and when people make these specific searches, but critical for local businesses. This is a driving school. They've got several locations around the south, but if we click on Chichester as an example, we can see actually when people are searching for the same keywords but are located within the Chichester area, they're doing a lot better. So that just gives you an idea of what the tool can do for you, but it just gives you a really good insight and then lets you know, right, okay, these are the areas we need to focus on to drive that organic traffic. And one of the key things with organic traffic is it converts better than pay-per-click. So driving those SEO results is an important thing.